Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are all gathered at the 7th Borobudur International Symposium. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Musabihah. I will present the result of our research on gasification models. This research is titled Development and Validation of an Optimal Twin Fire Gasification Reactor Model for Enhanced Carbon Monoxide and Methane Syngas Production. The author identity. I am Musabiha from Mechanical Engineering Sekolah Tinggi Teknologi Warga Surakarta. Second, Agung Supriyanto from Mechanical Engineering Sekolah Tinggi Teknologi Warga Surakarta. Third, Haikal from Mechanical Engineering Sekolah Tinggi Teknologi Warga Surakarta. Fourth, Budi Kristiawan from Mechanical Engineering Universitas 11 Maret Surakarta. And the last one, Sri Hartati from Faculty of Agriculture Universitas Veteran Bangun Nusantara. Background to the problem. Biomass gasification is a thermochemical conversion process that converts solid biomass into syngas through heating at high temperature without excess oxygen. Some reference supporting gasification this research include schematic diagram of the 20 TBD rice husk bubbling fluidized bed gasifier system by Park et al. 2021. Mansur et al. 2020 about the schematic diagram of the lab-scale downdraft fixed bed gasification system. Small-scale biomass gasification system for power generation by Situmorang et al. 2020. Schematic diagram of catalytic biomass gasification by Alptekin and Celiktas 2022. So render 2023 about bubbling fluidized bed gasifier layout modified. And the last, Yang et al. 2023 about schematic diagram of lab-scale bubbling fluidized bed reactor and computational domain of the gasifier. The first problem in Indonesia, recess and sawdust are abundant availability of biomass waste. This waste cause pollute the environment. Therefore, biomass waste need to be processed into renewable fuel. Problem the next, gas fuel is often scarce and expensive, cause the need for cheap and environmentally friendly fuel is not being met. Therefore, reduce dependence on gas fuel from the government. Third problem, waste disposal by incineration cause decline in public health. Therefore, need a solution to process waste into useful product through gasification model. Based on this highly complex problem, so this research purpose is increasing the production of high quality, environment friendly carbon monoxide and methane syngas through the development and validation of an optimal fire gasification reactor model. Method. Research variable. X1, variation particle size. X2, air flow rate. X3, ratio of rice husk and thick wood powder. X4, gas injection lag time. Testing model, carbon monoxide and methane are convert alpha, R square, and P value. In order to obtain high quality carbon monoxide and methane syngas, the state biomass gasification are as follow. The first, sawdust and rice husk are mixing until homogeneous. 2. Sawdust and rice husk waste that has been weighed and determined to be within the specified particle size is mixing until homogeneous. That weighs according to the raw material ratio. Third, fat waste material into the reactor. The reactor is tightly closed. The airflow rate is adjusted. The data ledger and injection lag time are set. Fourth, observe the temperature change in each chamber with data ledger. Fifth, after the syngas exit the reactor, extract the gas and place it in Tedlar bag. 6. Testing gas content from gasification using a chromatograph. 7. Data obtained from chromatography undergoes data processing and data analysis. 8. Development and validation gasification model. And the last, application model. Research result. When we see from the figure 1, graph of the base carbon monoxide syngas. Carbon monoxide syngas usually appears at retention of 10 until 12 minutes. When we see from the figure 2, graph of the base methane syngas. Methane syngas appears in moderate amount, reaching peak at 17.914 minutes, indicating partial methanation in the reactor. When we see from the table 1, optimizing gasification reactor performance for carbon monoxide and syngas methane production. The optimal carbon monoxide and methane model using multi-response signal-to-noise were achieved at the following variation parameters are particle size 100 mesh, air flow rate 25 meter per second, ratio of racehorse to weak wood powder 4 to 1 kg, and gas injection lag time 5 minutes. Then R-square value for carbon monoxide at 0.95, methane is 0.96H, and the combination of carbon monoxide and methane is 0.97H. The Cronbach alpha value for the three variables were the same, is 0.39, with a p-value less than 0.001. Conclusion. First, the best syngas model was Y carbon monoxide equal to 1.002 plus 0.499x1 plus 0.501x2 plus 0.5x3 plus 0.5x4 with in R-square of 0.95. Cronbach alpha of 0.39 and p-value less than 0.001 for the average carbon monoxide. Second, the best methane model is Y methane equal to 0.99H plus 0.351x1 plus 0.2x2 plus 0.101x3 plus 0.249x4 with an R-square of 0.96H, Cronbach alpha of 0.39 and p-value less than 0.001 for the average methane. Third, the best carbon monoxide and methane model are declared feasible, valid, and significant for predicting the average carbon monoxide and methane variable. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.